Konnichiwa, welcome to Mrs. Lin's kitchen. Summer in Japan is extremely hot and humid. Azuki bar or red bean ice popsicle is an all-time favorite refreshment for this hot weather. I recently came across Japan's Imuraya's Azuki bar and was inspired by its taste and textures. So I'll show you how to make it today. Here is the ingredients overview. This recipe only requires 4 ingredients and water. The cornstarch mixture is added as a stabilizer to keep the popsicle's texture smooth and not too icy. You can adjust sweetness as you like. Red bean liquid will become less sweet as it freezes, so you can taste it first and adjust the sweetness before pouring into the mold. I have these popsicle molds for a while now. They're readily available at many stores and come in different shapes and materials. Feel free to get any that you like. To begin, we're going to wash the red bean first. Next, add the red bean and 5 cups of water to a pot. Turn on the heat and bring the pot to a boil. When the water starts to boil, cover the pot with a lid and reduce the heat to low. Cook for an hour or until the liquid reduces to about 2.5 to 3 cups. After the first 5 minutes, you want to check the pot and scoop out the floating red beans. These floating beans are bad quality and we don't want them in our popsicles. When you hit the 1 hour mark, check the beans to see if they're soft or not. If not, continue to cook until the red beans are soft and the liquid is reduced. Size of the Azuki beans will cook differently, so it is possible that you may need to cook slightly longer. If the liquid is too low, add some water. At this point, I'll add 1 cup of sugar to the pot. Feel free to add more or less depending on how sweet you want your popsicle to be. Mix 4 tablespoons of cornstarch with 4 tablespoons of water. Then pour it into the pot and mix well. Next, add the salt. Mix to make sure everything is dissolved. You want to bring the pot to a boil again, then turn off the heat. Before transferring the red bean liquid to the molds, I like to let it cool down first. You can pour the red beans directly or use a funnel like what I'm doing here. Freeze the popsicles in the freezer until they're completely solidified. Nothing beats the summer heat like an icy cold homemade popsicle. This Azuki bar is delicious and I hope you try it out. To serve, run the frozen popsicles under cold running tap water so it's easier to remove from the mold. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. Enjoy the Azuki bar. See you in my next video.